members, and fellow students of Our Area Good Counsel High School. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, we gather to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, a visionary leader and the architect of the Indian Constitution. Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar's life and teachings continue to inspire us. Born on April 14, 1891, he dedicated his life to social justice, education, and equality. His relentless efforts of eradicating social discrimination and promoting harmony, serving as a guiding light for us all. As we pay tribute to Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar, let us reflect on his values of compassion, knowledge, and unity. Let us all strive to uphold his principles of unity and justice in our daily lives. I extend a warm welcome to all our dignitaries and guests who will honor Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar by placing a garland on his photo. Your presence adds significance to our celebration and reinforces our commitment to his ideals. Thank you.
हीच मुची प्रार्थनान हेच मुचे मागणी हीच मुची प्रार्थनान हेच मुचे मागणी माणसाने माणसाशी माणसा समवागणे
Today, with great pride and joy, we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Birthday of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is also celebrated as Equality Day. Do you know the reasons? It's because his works have brought equality in the Indian society and among the Indian citizens. Changing Life Part 1 is one of the chapters in the history textbook of Standard 9. In this chapter, what is highlighted is the work of the Constitution that has brought about the equality. His contribution related to the equal rights have empowered the Indian citizens, have helped to end many of the evil practices of division and discrimination. It has also facilitated to bring about change in the mindset of the people, thereby leading society towards development and progress. Great man of such caliber deserves honor and respect. Today, we have this day where we can show our utmost respect to him. At the same time, let's take a pledge to follow his footsteps and fulfill his dreams and visions.
होता है, लेकिन उससे पैदा हुई नफरत हमेशा के लिए। अपने आप को खोजने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है अपने आप को दूसरों की सेवा में खो देना। दुर्बल लोग कभी क्षमा नहीं कर सकते, क्षमा करना तो बलवानों का गुण है।
अपने उद्देश्य में विश्वास रखने वाला एक सूक्ष्म शरीर इतिहास के रूप को बदल सकता है। मैं मरने के लिए तैयार हूँ, पर ऐसी कोई वजह नहीं जिसके लिए मैं मारने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
आप मानवता में विश्वास मत खोइए। मानवता सागर के समान है। अगर सागर बीच में बहती है तो सागर गंदा नहीं हो जाता। खुशी तब मिलती है जब जो आप सोचते हो, जो आप कहते हो और जो आप करते हो वह एक हो। व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है। वह जैसा सोचता है वैसा ही बन जाता है।
जो मैं